Before you start your installation, please read the instruction manual and make sure you have all necessary tools available to hand. In this video, we will be installing a 1200 by 800mm Giorgio 2 Luxe shower tray, which features a linear hidden waist. Unpack the tray and check the product is in perfect condition for installation. Begin by marking out the area where the tray will go and cut out the floor, which will allow for the waist to be installed. Securely fasten battens to both sides of each joist and board out the space with marine grade ply board. Secure the side boards into position, but do not secure the central boards into the battens at this point, as you will need to remove it to fit the waist. The Giorgio series of shower trays cannot be fitted directly to floor joists without support between them. To fit a Giorgio tray at joist level, marine grade plywood of a minimum 18mm must be inlaid between joists flush with joist tops. The plywood should be fixed to battens that are screwed securely to the sides of the joists. Place the tray back in position on the boards in order to mark out where the waist will go. Remove the tray and cut out a section of the board, allowing for an additional 1-inch circumference around the waist. Install the waste pipe, ensuring it has sufficient gradient to maximise drainage before installing the waist. The Giorgio Luxe tray comes with a hidden high capacity waist. Unpack the waist and make sure you have all the parts. Start by placing the rectangular rubber ring onto the waist. The waist supplied with the tray should be installed using the compression method. Add the locking nut and rubber ring to the waste pipe, followed by the waist. Slide the rubber ring and locking nut up to the waist and hand fasten until tight. At this point, it is essential the waist is checked before the tray is fully installed. Place the tray back into position, ensuring the hole for the waist is aligned with the waist below. Continue to fit the rest of the waist through the top of the tray. Start by securing the plate into position using the screws provided. Next, drop the waste cups and valves into the housing. Pour water onto the tray around the waist area and directly into the waist. Unscrew the waist and remove the tray. Check the waist, pipe join and surrounding area for any leaks. Once the waist has been checked, you are ready to install the tray. Firstly, fasten the central board into position. You are now ready to apply the adhesive. Apply a polyurethane adhesive around the edges of the base and in lines covering the plywood evenly. Carefully place the tray into position and adjust accordingly to ensure the tray is level on all sides. Once the tray is installed, reassemble the waist and place the waist cover into position over the waist for a flawless finish. If wall panels or tiles are used in situ, seal between the tray and the wall with silicone and leave for 24 hours before installing a shower enclosure or using the shower. If you are installing the tiles or wall panels after the tray has been installed, leave the tray for at least 24 hours before installing them.